Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out reviews of a particular series that you are interested in on the Crunchyroll application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Tap on the home button down below, which is the first option, and then select a series that you would like to know more about and would like to see the feedbacks of it. Now scroll down, and as you can see, under the title there is this 5 stars icon, and if you tap on it you will be able to see all of the ratings. The average rating is 4.8 out of 5 stars, as you can see, and here is the percentage. The percentages, meaning that 90% of the people or the raters have given a 5 star to this series. So if you want to add your rating, tap on the relevant star, as you can see, ranging from 1 to 5, and now you have rated this with 5 stars. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.